Welcome back to Deluxe Guitar Songs. Today we're going to be covering The Word of God Speak by Kutless. So we're going to get right into this song here. Thanks for coming back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Click that notification button so you get new notifications when I put out a new song. So right off the bat, I'm playing with my distortion pedal, Jekyll and Hyde, and a Boss RV3 digital delay. In the beginning riff, he's going on the 17th fret on the B string, down to the 13th, 15th, to the 10th. So okay, again, 17th, so 13th, 15th, and 10th. All right, right into the verse is a C2. So what we do is we have our ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string. You're muting the 4th string, the D string. 3rd string's open, index finger on the 1st fret of the B string. So again, that's into an F power chord. That's just, you keep your ring finger in the same spot on the 3rd fret on the A string, and then just move your index finger over to an F position, 1st fret on the low E string. So then from there, he'll go back and forth twice. The chord starts off with that C2, then it goes into a G, and we're just going to do power chords for the sake of this song, because that's all they're doing is kind of chunking through it. So G's the 3rd and 5th fret, so 3rd fret index finger on the low E, and then the 5th fret on the A string with your ring finger up to that A, that same position up to the 5th and 7th fret for 2 strokes, and then B flat to the 6th and the 8th fret, same position, down to that F. So that's the whole song right there. So let's run through it just real quick for you, okay? Right into that C. Chorus. C. A, B flat, F, C, G, A, B flat, F. So that is all the elements in this song, Word of God Speak by Kutless. I hope you enjoyed this guitar tutorial. It's a great song. It's fun to play along to. So like, subscribe, share, come back to the channel. We're going to have plenty more worship songs on this channel. And also send me some requests if you want them. I'm going to be pumping out songs as quickly as I get them. All right. Thank you. Have a good day.